Hey friends, and non-friends and stranger people. So I have a few things here to show you. This is my linktree. Alright, there we go. This is my linktree. As you can see, I have many things on there. YouTube, my merch for the YouTube, Ko-fi, my website that I've had for several years because I have my BFA and we had to get that, but I would have done it anyway. My Instagram, feel free to follow me there. Art prints that I make, like digital collages or paintings, I usually upload them there. And also here, I upload the same stuff for those two. For other types of art, not necessarily the stuff that I have on my YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. It's kind of a passion project and some other projects that I have with other people, but I love this channel. I'm trying to get 100 subscribers so I can claim my YouTube handle name. So help me out if you don't mind. Let me claim my name with 100 subscribers. It's gonna get there eventually. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for visiting. See ya.